guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is basically going to be Makeup Inspiration Monday, but it's a little bit of a special edition. This is going to be our Black History Month Makeup Inspiration Monday. So for the whole month of February, except the first week, I took up the first week. The last 3 Mondays in February, my goal is to put up a video each week inspired by a Black creator. And it's just like my cute little way of celebrating Black History Month on my channel, because you know, why not? It's fun, you know? Now, there might be a couple cuts in here because I'm having a lot of allergies and a lot of sickness, so I'm cutting out all my sniffles and grossness for you guys, so ignore that. Our key person for this video we're focusing on is Miss Jackie Aina. She inspired this eye look and a little bit of the face too, but mostly the eyes is what we got from her. So the reason that I chose her is because I feel like out of all the Black influencers, out of all the influencers on the platform, YouTube I'm meaning, she is the most vocal, and she has been doing it since day one. She was doing it before it was in, before it was a fad, before it was required. She was talking about how brands weren't inclusive, how brands weren't including women of color and people of color in their stuff, how their shade ranges stopped at medium beige. That's not cool. And she's been talking about this kind of crap for years. So I really felt like she was the first person I needed to focus on because she's one of my favorite YouTubers, if not one of my favorite. And she has really inspired me, like watching her speak out about all this stuff that I care about. And I'm like, yo, you can talk about this kind of stuff. You're gonna face backlash, but you can still do it. You know what I'm saying? So she's really dope, and that's why I chose to include her in this video. And I think she's really inspirational for other like younger Black girls like me who are looking online trying to see what's going on and trying to get into the industry and get into the community, and you're intimidated because you know you're gonna have that barrier. You're wondering if you're gonna really make it. People are gonna really want to look at your work. People are really gonna check you out over someone else. And she's just really inspiring. Are my eyes watering right now? Yeah, she's really inspiring. She's really dope. And if you're interested in that, or if you're just interested in this look, keep watching. As always, subscribe to my channel. There's going to be a lot more fun videos coming up for Black History Month, which you guys are going to love. And without further ado, let's just get into this video. Hey guys, so I already have my eyelids primed and brows on, and I'm going to show you guys the look that we're going to be doing today. So we're doing this gorgeous, like, silver, blue, green, turquoise kind of eye from Miss Jackie Aina herself, and like her eye looks are slept on. I don't care what you say, her eye looks are slept on. Now I already went back and watched the tutorial for it because, you know, I needed to know the deets. And she actually used the Bretman Rock X ColourPop wet set, which I do not own. I wanted to get it, but I'm poor, so we're gonna try to use some dupes to recreate the look. Okay, so actually she started with a cool tone brown in her crease, and it matches her skin color more well than it matches mine, so I'm gonna go slightly lighter so it doesn't look like super dark on me. So I'm gonna take a mixture of Pancake from the It's My Ray palette. Oh god, can you see it? The mirror's messing it up. I'm gonna take a mixture of Pancake and Mousse from the It's My Ray palette, and then if I need to, I'll dip into Control Freak. But Control Freak is just a tad bit warmer, so I'm gonna start with the more cool tone ones first and then add a little bit of warm in there if I need to. Let's try Pancake by itself. I just want to see what it looks like. Ooh, 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 she's bringing the heat. And it's warmer than I expected also. I'm gonna go in a little bit with Mousse. Okay. Let's blend out Pancake first because she's really like showing up. Like she really came for work and clocked in. I'm very happy about that. Yes. Okay, so I don't want to show basically a dupe for the color that she's taking, kind of, is this one from the James Charles palette. This blue shade right here. Okay, and I'm going to take that and ooh, my head just. So we're gonna take that and just pack it on. So we're gonna just pack. Ooh, I love the pigment on this color. Like it's just so good. It's just so good. And then we're just gonna pack some like right here. Okay, so she doesn't take it all the way through, but she does end up blending it out. So while I'm blending this color, let me talk about why I chose Jackie Aina for this video. So Jackie Aina is actually the YouTuber who inspired me to start my YouTube channel, and let me tell you why. So at first, when I first started getting into beauty guru videos, I saw all these beauty gurus and I was like, wow, this is like really dope. And like, I love makeup. I love this. Like, I want to do this, right? And I was like, nah, there's no way I can do this, right? And without even realizing it, it was because I was like, nah, there's nobody that really looks like me doing it. I don't know. No one's going to care about me. Nobody's going to watch me, blah, blah, blah. And then I came across her videos and I loved them. And I started binge watching all of them. And then I realized that, like, there's this other black girl doing it. She's doing great. She's cool. People want to watch her. And it was just really inspiring. And I was like, you know what? All right. She's doing it. I can do it too. She's going to do it. I can do it. So she really inspired me to be like, okay, I can have a YouTube channel. I can be unapologetically myself. I can be goofy. I can be whatever. And I can still make it. And that's why we're here today. It's all her fault. Basically, that's why we're here today. And, you know, I just think it's really dope because she talks about, like, topics that people don't want to talk about. She's not afraid to talk about race. She's not afraid to talk about color. She's not afraid to talk about what everybody's out here doing wrong. People are like, oh, don't talk about it. She brings awareness to a lot of issues that people don't want to talk about. And, like, she's one of the few people in the industry who was doing it first. And I'm not saying like first person. I'm talking about like beauty gurus, like black female beauty guru who just out here. She just came out here and was like, this is what's wrong in the beauty industry. These shades are not correct and someone needs to talk about it. And I was just like, I'm very attacked. I was like, oh my God. And I was just like, she's really out here talking about it. And that was really inspiring to me because I don't talk about it a lot, but I'm very pro-black, very pro people of color. I feel very strongly with these kind of issues. So I'm sitting here watching her like, yes. Okay, so she doesn't actually cut her crease in this video. She just goes straight into it. So she takes this color called LOL I'm Crying. Hold on. Please hold. Okay, so she puts that basically all over her lid up until the outer corner, so like right here. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna dip into my Morphe 35B palette and I'm gonna take this like electric-y blue shade on the corner. I know it doesn't really pull the green tones, but it's as close as we're gonna get, so give me a break, okay? It's gonna match in the end. This is just a foundation. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm taking my shirt off because like from this point on, it's eyeshadow fallout, it's foundation, it's concealer, it's powder. I'm not getting that on this nice shirt. This is one of my favorite shirts, so bye. You can fight me, I don't care. I'm not. You can't see anything, all right? Thanks. Unless y'all are turned on by clavicle, man, I don't know. My spray bottle was on the wrong setting and now it's just like, it's just a mess. I'll see what I can do to fix it. Alright, I think the shade that I found in the James Charles palette is going to be the closest. It's this darker blue shimmer. Once again, we're trying to replicate. We cannot do it exactly. And let's put it right in between here. Well, it's going to get placed right here. There it is. Okay. It wasn't wet enough. Okay, so I have this pretty, really shimmery silver, and this is the only one that I own. So this is the one that's going to get used. Okay. I'm gonna hope that it matches, alright? I use this in like a lot of holiday looks. It's bright, it's silvery, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna start on the face, and in honor of Miss Jackie Aina, I'm gonna try out this Too Faced primer because I know she likes Too Faced and she obviously collaborated with them on the Born This Way foundation. So this is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. This is a little trial size, so let's just see what she's talking about. Oh, it's pink, so it's a bright pink. You can't even see it because it's overexposed. It's like a bright pink kind of color, and we're gonna just put that on. Now, if you guys don't know about her collaboration with Too Faced, she went in and expanded their line of Born This Way foundation, which means she created 8 or 9 brand new shades for them and basically just made the line a lot more. She created a lot more darker shades. She created some mid-tone shades. Like, she just kind of expanded everything, and it made them look right. Because Too Faced hasn't really been the most inclusive brand prior to this. So I'm actually really proud of them for like stepping up and being like, all right, ooh, it's cooling. It is cooling. It's very cold. Okay, that claim was true. It's definitely cooling. Wow. I don't know about modifying. Okay, so yeah, under her foundation, she has applied like a pinky liquid highlighter. So let's get that done real quick. We're gonna need a lot of concealer to conceal all this darkness that resulted from that eyeshadow and that I couldn't get off of my makeup wipes because I use dollar makeup wipes. Roast me if you want. I'm bored. So I'm gonna put on some cream contour. Let's get the jawline. That's the other thing too. Jackie Aina always contours with cream. Not always, but she uses typically almost all the time like her NARS concealers to contour, and this looks like it's NARS concealer, but it's not, and that's the closest I'm ever gonna get to NARS concealer until I'm rich. So we're being her in spirit, okay? In spirit. Okay, so next she moves into work on her lower lash line, and I want to do that now while there's still powder under here because this fallout could be serious. So I'm gonna place even more, and if you don't like it, you can fight me on it. How about that? You can catch me outside. Jesus Christ, this is gonna be difficult. Ooh, okay, I kicked the camera. Oopsie. So I'm gonna apply this to my waterline off camera just because, like, girl, I need to get close and personal, okay? She takes that blue and she puts on her lower lash line, and we're gonna try to do the same thing and hope that we don't ruin it. Okay. I'm turning the light down so I can get close without being overexposed. And we're gonna take a mixture of this shade in 35B, this paler purple. Where did she go? There she is. We'll take that. And we're gonna mix it with this pinky cream shade in this palette until we get our desired color. So let's see. Okay, I think I'm channeling the essence just a little bit. Okay guys, I'm back and we're just gonna pretend like I didn't just spend 30 minutes putting on my eyelashes. Okay. In her video, Jackie Aina used a brush from the collection, which was really pinky. Oh my gosh, I did not mean to do that. Oh my god. The blush just fell out. Ooh, that's pigmented, hold on. I'm gonna take a mix of Maybelline Master Chrome, which is literally rose gold pink, and Precious Petals, and we're gonna put them together. Yeah, that's cute. You see that? You see it? Oof, how could you not, honestly? So she does a peachy nude, but she does brown lip liner under it. I don't have a lip liner, so I'm gonna use brown lipstick. So in honor of Miss Aina, I actually put out a lipstick that I don't like. It's from Maybelline. It's called Peach Buff 540. That's the shade. It's a peachy nude. Now, I have nothing against peachy nudes. I just prefer my nudes to be a little bit more nude. Meaning that there's not like one shade of nude. Like, I prefer them to have a little bit more brown in them. This is very light. And I think truly, like, when I first tried this out, I didn't know how to wear nudes, so I just put it on by itself. And I hated it. I'm gonna move very slowly. I'm gonna proceed with caution. Oh god. I don't know, man. I don't know. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Let me get a little closer so you can see what's going on. This is our look. Please excuse my under eye area. A lot of blue got down here, and like with my allergies, no matter how much I try, it's just gonna be gross. So just avoid this area of my face, okay? there you guys go. That's the end of this video. I'm sorry that I'm super sick, but that just seems like the pattern these days. If you liked this video, let me know. Please give it a like and comment down below. Let me know if you like this kind of a video where I do something inspired by a particular type of guru. Also, comment down below any other video ideas you think I should do. I always like to have ideas. I'm always trying to think of something more interesting, more fun to do. As always, subscribe. Actually, you know what? I just got an idea. You know how she just leans? No, wait, no. This is on the camera, so this way. I gotta lean this way, and I gotta tell you to subscribe. Like how she does on her videos. And then she's gonna be like, the next video's right here. Why aren't you clicking it? 60% of the people that watch my videos don't subscribe. Those are her stats. My stats, 98% of the people that watch my videos don't subscribe. So please, click the next video. I know you want to. And subscribe. Help my channel grow. You like me, right? If you made this far in the video, you probably do. So I'm just gonna leave this here for you. Or if it's this way, leave it for you this way. I don't know which one. Okay, signing off.